Hi, this is Navya Bal and you're watching TimesXP. A new video from Iran is raising serious alarms across the world. Footage now confirms that a powerful Russian attack helicopter has arrived in Iran. The helicopter is the Mi-28 also known as the Havoc. It was seen flying from over Tehran, close to the site linked with Iran's Revolutionary Guard. This sighting is very important. Mi-28 is not a normal helicopter. It is built for war. It can fly at the night, strike tanks, and hit ground targets with a heavy weapon. Russia uses it as an active combat zone. Iran has wanted this helicopter for years, and now it looks like Tehran may finally be getting it. Well, experts believe that this could be a part of a bigger military deal with Russia and Iran. And Iran has also shown interest in the Russian fighter jets like Su-35 and training aircraft like the Yak-130. This one move makes it a very tense moment. You know why? Because the United States has increased their naval presence in near Iran. Warships are moving close and aircrafts are active. Well, the region is on the edge, and just days ago, a US F-35 jet launched from the USS Abraham Lincoln shot down an Iranian drone over the sea. Well, this drone was said to be Shahid type. The incident alone raises fears over the direct conflict. But as of now, then came a trouble. Reports say Iranian gunboats have moved close to the US-flagged oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz. The area is one of the most important sea routes in the world. Any clashes there could actually affect the global oil supply. Now add Russian attack to it. Helicopters into the picture. Iran's military, especially the IRGC, may be seeing the boost of the power. A message that Iran is not alone. A signal that Moscow is standing close to Tehran. And for the United States, this is worrying. Advanced helicopters can change how the battles are fought. They can also target the ships, bases, and the ground forces. While in the narrow waters like the Gulf, even one new weapon matters a lot. So, what does this mean? Some analysts say that Iran is actually preparing for the worst. Now others believe that Iran is trying to scare the rivals to gain the leverage. But Russia may also have seen all of the reasons. By supporting Iran, Moscow keeps pressure on the United States and all of its allies. But this also increases the risk, as the US ships nearby the Iranian forces active, and now the Russian weapons appearing, one mistake could lead to a serious clash. Well, right now there is no open war, but the signs are loud. New weapons close the encounters and the rising warnings. With that being said, an Iranian Mi-28 Havoc attack helicopter has been spotted over Tehran, confirming possible arms delivered to Iran by Russia. Well, this sighting comes as the US-Iran tensions rises and the drones are shot at naval forces near the Strait of Hormuz.